In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to access display. Then click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to switch it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into tab menu and click on those three dots located on brightness slider. Then manage adaptive brightness from here. And to save your changes, hit done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!